ole tu na chuan Pennsylvania state a kan lut dawn na tu hi Maryland atangin heta Amish ho opna kan kal meka tu na chuan Pennsylvania state chung kan lut ta Amish kwa kan lut tan ta an la zo na mo ole ticket kan lei dawn khi túi bù đen cái hàn tị mấy trên khai mòn này tụ ra nè lại từ khi anh on na này hay lại hi hay kẹo rắn vụt hầu Amish hầu cái tị hi má lại nunphung là khó sợ rengtute anh nè tuần lại thiểm na fin naมาสอนมันรวดสังกังเทคโนโลยีเตมังเวดูมีอะไรเตอันนี้จะสุกันกัลชนะในการใช้เฟียเจลัง
This guy changed just a little bit. He used to have dairy cattle. He no longer has dairy cattle. So what he did last year is he tore his old barn down and they built that new barn, which is more of a workshop kind of barn. So he's no longer has dairy cattle, but he might be making and feeding the cattle, whatever. It goes both ways. Either we grow it and send it out, or they grow fabrics to both Amish and to English. Another Amishman on a scooter on the right, silo, a horse and buggy, a cow, a field, an Amish person, something everywhere. So what the Amish had done to help regulate, see, I started April, May. The vanity. So you'll never see an expensive tombstone, you'll never see a mausoleum or a statue. They're all relatively the same shape and sizes. The second see him coming. I've never been in there yet. I'm going to head in there one of these days when I don't work. I'm just curious what the oldest cemetery or what the oldest stone is. Amish came and settled in this area around 1750 or 60. The draft horses, the mules, the donkeys, they'll use them to pull equipment in the field because they all have bigger muscles. But when they're out with a family drive or going to church or going to the store, they want to use them. Another one of our stranger roads we have here. We're farmers and they had good farmland there. Then about 1690 or so, William Penn had been persecuted over there, but he knew they were good farmers. Since they don't have a building to upkeep, they pay 3 taxes. Come to this town, especially on Saturdays. They did their banking here. They did their there were supply stores. They could buy supplies, and they just came here to socialize. All the streets we just went by were full of buggies. Then the English found out. They put up restaurants and motels. They brought tourism into this town. Kitchen kettle came in. All the things that you see on the left-hand side came in.
Hey, bucin na mun. Ani hi kun na thok. Ania khol reng mang lo. Ania wangin Hmanlai hi an bucin na mun. Ani. Ole tu na hian Amish ho khwa an kala Pennsylvania state kan amme kani. Amish ho kan ti chu Hmanlai nunphung anga lakha sarengte nia tun lai na du lova Hmanlai nunphung le khosak dan zong tun lai khuna po an la chom re chu tiang anga la khosa te ho chu an nia USA hian Amish ho hi ni noi thum le sing ni chong an oma chung zinga chuan Pennsylvania hian mi sing kwa le sang khat tha ve lam oma tuna kar omna lai tak Lancaster County a hi chuan mi sing ni le sang ha ve an oma chuan heng pa ha he India na te Iowa te hian a lo le te on oma ti lo chu USA state of hian ani Amish Ho hi kum zabi som pa sarina Hmanlai tun ma ana baptist anti Hmanlai tanga lo om to te an nia ani hi an conservative maya an nunphung ni enge ne a kher mai an du ulum e me wan du tu ya ko vel thiam na le fin te technology te thiam na electricity te mang du mi lo an nia tin phone te mobile te computer te motor te po chuang du mi lo an nia wangin eng ki men nunphung hi an ma ni kut khoi ngat veka thil en kim siam an nia tin chung ba ka chuanin an kalvel na ta po motor chuang lovin sakor to lai li hi an mang ani chu tiang chu an nia wangin an in chung ko sakdana po Hmanlai an ma ni kut khoi ngat mai kor an thom no te an hak thom no te an ei ko chu tiang chu an ma ni kut khoi vek an manga an siama tin tha lak po an du lova tin theng thalak te hi nge niang pathian du long zong an lai sa ko mi tak an nia an du hi an du em maya cholni hi an ser em me cholni a chon na an thok to lova ti chon biak in than pa building an nei lova an member te ina hian an in khom chau thena chung in khom ho chu in chung ko som ti le panga tanga som thu in kar vel hin lom khatin an om hova ti chuanin cholni kar thakin kar ni dan zela in khom na an member thang an neya an ve khan in khom hianin dar kar ni atanga dar kar thukte an tui chang chuan dar kar li dar kar nga thin po an in khoma cholni chu sa ko hun sa khwa na tan an ser tuk mai ani ti chuan an thoi tu chu bisop tin an kowa chu bisop te chuanin an ti ber chu pathian thu soi ne bible chiara pathian thu ne na a member te tharau lampang chawm kha ania ko ran ro rel na ang em po om than lo ani an sa ko em le atin me che ri pa in kara te po hianin an mi pa te in chei dan ten me che te in chei dan te hi om thang lak pok ani ti chuanin nu pui pasarin nei ko nga po hen pon lam mi hi an nei lutuk lo an mani singa in nei tho ma se tun huai hianin pon lam mi an mani Amish ni lo te an nei awang hian Amish pundan hi zoi na kiam theta ngai ania tu ma ain tuna hian themin an la hiama chan chu namdang an mani milo nupui pasal nei te an lo om ve zeu thin wang ani ngai ani ti chuan an mani anin nei bera lakwal te chuanin nupuin nei ma chuanin fai tak me ran mul tak mul ten met ka nupuin nei nuai ro chuanin an met ta lo ani ti tiang bok chuan nei sia te chuan an nula lain an kor an hak te an in om pi ka kon thoi ang ko ha ma se chunga kor varan ha chung chu pasalan nei thengin ania pasalan nei nuaro chon kor var pi pa ti ni thengin chu chon hale ko ngai lo ani anin then mei lo bok ani tin an yun na chung changa po ria them chau le khan zera chu mi ba le khazir chu tulin an thelawa kan soi tong ang khan khovel technology le electric le thiam na fin na internet manga khosa le zong an ni lo awang hianin an tan le khazir san wak kha atul lo ani ti chon pol ria theng kha le kha chu thi ani ti kha an ma ni a chuanin an in kai kai dan thin ania chung kwa oriented family oriented community ania wang hian an in phung bom dan te nun pakhata an nun za hawa an khovel dang hi an ma mo reng lo maya ti chuan an ma ni a hianin an community an khotang nuna an chung ko nuna hian ain bom thom thae em mai ani kha Amish Ho thong le khosak sia te ania tin an sa ko mi em maya pathian an ringa iswa ko an ring bom ani khalak te hi an lo tin an tan re le pathian lom song nanga khosa ta wa hian an lukin em ani chu Amish nun khong ania wain he khovel nun tam tak an ban san veka ahan pa takin sa khwana pathian du danang parin an khosa khovel thiam na fin na technology te an nola pathian du danang nunga khatia khosa thin mi te ania wangin Amish ko kan kal hian kum zathum kalta kha kirle an hian kan in ria alung len thakin amu namin an thon tu te ngai no em ani chu Amish Ho chan chin tang pui te ani
We used to play capture the flag, and we had a guy had a barn, and we put the flag in it, and then we have teams and we'd be running back and forth across Route 30 like it was nothing.
until siam
Try that today, you probably get yourself killed. They're allowed to have a telephone, but it cannot ever be inside the house. It cannot be anywhere near the house. It's usually at the end of the driveway or as far away in a corner lot in a field. Like I said, the Amish believe in God and they believe in Jesus.
Amish ho hey Amish ho mun poi mo tak men business na mun ania tang hetia helai mun a hianin hean kut khoi thil siam chi rang mayan zuara hen te hi a lei the veka long sa kut them thiam tak mai kut khoi tak mai an nia an kut khoi te hi a dak nal em mai ani chuan heng hi eng teng e kan lu ta kan en pa heng an ni hi kan soi tak angin Hmanlai nunphung anga la khosa tun lai technology te le thiam na te phone te computer te mang mia lo kut khoi ne na la khosa ngat nam an nia eng a hian an kut chok te hi eng e mo tak chu han lei te po kaduan sa khomi em mea boka pathian ringtut Isu Krista ringtut anni enge o awan ei tur ti tak tak te an zuara lai mun hi dor pakhat kan lu na mun ania tiang hianin hei business thil zawrhna ani khonge enge kan lei piang kan thir kwal ange kan soi tak khan kut them thia takan ne lem tia ten thia me ya an kut chok hi kan kan hatia kan mu ta ang hian kan thlir an sa khomi me pathian Isu ringtut an nia wangin lem biak na hoi reng pathian thu ne na in kal thil reng hi an la lut lo tap an chung kwa le an khotlang nun phua hrim hian ti kha kan han soi do bok ani an Hmanlai nun kha kum za thum kalta khan tun hi kan kir le chutiang chu ani awangin an uluk em mai ni hei sa pho na nin voin ne hian kan han sin ho ani a thai to
Yeah. Right. So, yeah, what are the difference between this, I mean, the baggy
For the Amish, what we use is, this is our main one.
Yeah.
This is an open, these two is what we use.
Oh.
This was way back in the stagecoach days, when they came across.
Oh, right.
And this is a really old one, and this is the old.
This is the oldest one.
Right.
Oh.
Yeah, we never had any like this. These
Right.
are our kind. So with tax, it comes to $10.49 right there. Yeah.
do you receive in cash or
Cash or credit card is fine. Yeah.
Okay.
I thought it was different. Please explain the difference.
Okay, these are from way back. I would say in, when did we come across to America? Like in the 17th,
Isn't 18th century or
Yeah.
this? Oh, right.
This would be
Okay.
more like in 1800s.
Right. Okay.
Probably all of these more. Like
Oh, right.
This is now.
Yeah. Okay.
This is what we use.
Okay.
This it?
But they feel that if you take a picture of them, when they die and go to work there, so I know the guy pulling it from Amish.
Ani.
Over in Intercourse, same thing. You'll see these extended buggies with plexiglass windows on them. They're not Amish. The guy who gives the ride to the girl, I know this for a fact, going up where that farm was and had all the cattle, they usually put me right there. And the girl, the buggy rides will always look like, and they're not growing all the crops. They do need a cash crop to grow. Through the barn, and drive the tobacco grower, hanging
Tê là
inside it. And that greenhouse
Đang
was
lại
full
một
of
giống giống
tobacco.
thì về lâu chịu nè.
Up on top of the hill on the left,
In
you'll see
red
another
area.
barn earlier. If you look straight up ahead of us on the right, there's a doggy house.
Lại hi Amish khoa kan fanna Luna entrance ania Pennsylvania USA ani achunga thil then khatte yan thil angu an kut chuak then khat Poland te kan thil lenga kan thanem hle ni tin tiang hian lai mun tlo tu hi anom reng ani Jadi pun di sini sedang tu kan tia Amish ho ki motor suang mi alawan ni awangin sakor to lai le lem an mani mel tilang tu ber om ni ka riat ka lei ve a pati Pihan anin chung tak he chu video la kan phal lawa cha kan lak kan en ho te te ang kha ani heng te hi an bu pol nu na motor ani hi kan soi tak ang khan motor ran pa tun lai motor ang an hnong velo sakor to lai le lian do in an hnong sakor to lai le lian do hen nei a chung te chu an hnong tlang pui ani hi spring house ani a an ai bok te te ni sala engemo an han her chho na sem chho na call an han da na mun thren khatte ania ani army show hi call han ti khan engine nei call an phang ve lo ba kut ne na ka thok vet ani ti kha han that ka han soi non le tu ani tiang hianin an pong te emo engemo vela han chum le han sorang chi engemo thil han thlor film na ang chi na reng kha tiang hian an mang thin ani ti chon an ran ina hian tu na hian han lu le tai la e hian sakor da na in te nia vok te an chu leo leo nge lại hiện bọc te sakor te chi te sakor te tak chi nia he sakor te chi anni hi Pennsylvania Amish ho hi Dutch ho annia hei ve lo chin na mun ani Dutch ho ania German chapol te nen te an ni hlom boka chu wangin an khosak phung hi danglam na riau mai anei bok ani hi an sakor ani ka Robin Hood sakor ang mai ani chala kan chu leo leo nge ai an sakor te alien thang reng kho mai a ti chuan he lampang en thil le la ran emoni dolly en te he han tiang bu pola an khosa a ta ne nge om le lai phe chu ro kan ni he hiện ran vul na in Amish show ran vul na in dan chu ni hiện an kut phain an cho hi hiện an aron dak chua ka ti hiện cho ti hiện kut pha cho kan pe mai zel thin ani ti chuan an ron in atanga kan han chuak che hi la hen tiang hianin an khom dan kalkong heta hianin signs chi rang aron da ta hi tunnel hemi korte in car leido chungkhu nei leido ania a hei korte luang kar maya so like this so kan han thlir zeldon ani ti chuan ti anga kan culture helai hi tui bu teng kan han ti mai thin kha ni in alanga kan soi to ang khan khol an chelek velo wangin kun na thon na ram kun na thok mi an nia ma lai kum za thum kalta hata kum za bi som pasari na hun lai tang khan Europe ram atanga heng America an chuk thak hian sa khomi em mai an nia wangin khovel thiam na fin na manga siam chua call le internet te technology ang chi reng nun phung kha an trom pui ve lo wa tha po hi an lak pui the lo wa thalak te hi an nga ya chuan pathian du ro zong ni in an thria milem ker sop reng wana mi ang te le mi ang te i siam tur nei lo tia exodus bung som ni pathian in ami te a hrin ang kha atakin an la zom tlat bok ani ti chuanin chu main loin rom bung som patni khan kan chia ranga kan om dan pathian ngaya thafam ki ma om tur kan ni zia te kha an la chang choi renga wangin ami so nun phung hi man lai kum za thum kalta khan ke ni pokan ki le ang hian kan in feel thei ani ta hian a cho a lei theia coin kan thla ka nga ti chuanin a cho kha kan leya kan pathin ti chuan helai hi an huan om dan velte ani a hei kan thir zelanga amun hi tuna kan om tak hi Pennsylvania ani a Pennsylvania hi a hianin Amish ho hi an tambera helai kan om na Lancaster County anga chuan phei chuan mi singli le sanga borvel an om ani ekte hi an leile na man ruat te ani hi an soitak ang khan ran an chor bera motor an chuang lova motor an khal ngai hek lova sakor to lai lir hi an transportation ber ani dijon army so hi US a hian state som thum vela an oma chung state som thum vela chuanin an om dar via tuna hian USA a hianin army so hi mi noi thum le singli vel oma chut ania chungsinga chuan tuna Pennsylvania te Iowa te Indiana te an tam an hlom tam zok chu an khosa ani tuna army so school house an tia an in zirtir na thin an faten zirtir na hmun kan luta helai hi Amish hoina le kha te anin zirtir na hmun anian classroom chung ani kan hetangin heti hun lai hianin anni chu current te electric reng hmang lo ania wangin anin ti lum na tur tia mei to na tur thuk te om vek bok ani current te hmang lo wa tun thleng hian tiang chuan an la khosa thin ani hi an le khazir na dawhkan am dan te ani an sa khomi em a pathian thu ang thlapa nan du mi an ni ti hian ni tin hian tlo tu an tam em mai a helai mun an mani Amish ho hi sa khomi takan nia wangin an khwale an khosak nan te an nunphung te han zirchena han om chuan han khena an bula han om chuan keimani nge po hi kan nun hi engam ti tak in sa khwana te mo nun uluk le mathian du dan tak me nun han du tuina ko a hian kanin mu chuak thar anga hanin feel thei rum rum khop hian an nun hi ain ngai tloma anuama helai mun hi kan han lu chuan kan sa khwa te uri em ti turin kan om thei ani hi an sakor to lai lir ne paki tian ko mai thina an man ruwa an sakor to lai lir lo nei thin te nia tuna chuan helai hi thir cherna hmun kan thlir lenga Amish ho hi kut na thok thiam tak mai kut hui tak mai le kut de thil de thiam tak mai nia heng te hian thir cherna hmun ania bik takin an lir thei ber mai sakor to lai lir baki tiang hianin an siama tin an lo na thon na tur man ro chi rang rang po an siam bok ani khai ha check tu bu kan ti te om nual mai chei che thir chei che lian chi te mo mystery thir thir deng ania thir deng blacksmith hi house ania he an thir te hi an thiam mel khop mai ai te han thirila an sakor to lai lir te hi tin kan thria tur chu an ni hi farm kan ti thlo ma siam thin an nia veilo an ching na se em boka sum don na atan hianin chung chu na sa takin an thal chok bok ani hi an bazaar ania engtengen zar kan lut chin ve reng marketplace tia ei tur in tur chi rang rang te pon zor don ani hi tui don khop mai yan en den dan la engen zaro hi Amish ho kut chuak vek ania pon lam thil lak a om ve lo
No, but you want to know the best part? So people think, and this is a fact, people think that because you're on a small shop on a tourist property, you're going to pay more here than everywhere else. That's not true.
heng pickle chi rang mai hi an siam thiam khop mai a eng amoni yan siam tu mai he tui don khop mai an mani ku chok leo leo ania an mani ku chok leo an siam te ani awang hianin ateis po adang lam in atui ang rang bi khop mai
Depends on what you want.
heng ice cream te po hi an ma ni ku chok leo se mani
These are the best fry pies in all of Lancaster.
village store hian lu le ta la eng thil tak pang ma thank you cheers mate good answer hian kut khoi ngat ani hi
That's hilarious, eh? That is so hilarious. Is that funny? Babe, did you see this? We need to get this for Miles. Miles actually did love that. Just, I think we need to get this for Miles. I picked it up.
le khabu te hian siak na sa ami sonan phung hi dang dai ve em maya na pui pasalin nei na konga te hianin mi pa in na pui anei ma chu a khabe mul hi fight takina zia thina na pui nei no chuan azo thina chu tlangwal le na pui nei to hriat tham the na nia mei chia te ro chu an kor at noya engpo ha se achunga hena var hianin achunga korvar engmo talan hale thina ti chuan pasalan nei ya an nei zo chu avar chu an phela thlan an thlengin antar thlengin chung an nulat kor chu an hale to ngai lo ani nupui pasalan in then be mei lo wa dam chu nga in nei hlente an nia engemo mei thai te an omero chuan chuan pasal ero an nei le thei ani ti chuan an mani len mani an in nei bera chuti rol chuan an mani lo te nei po an om ve thawa chunga wang chuan an pung hlei thei lova pun lam ain I tut ma ngai to chuan ral lam an pan zo ka mo ti tur ania asan chu namdang an nei chuan khang an nam mei chia poni se mi pa poin namdang an nei atang an fa te kha ami sa khan an lut le vek to ran to lova ami spon lam kan tiang chu nun pa ngai heng pon lam mi ke ni ang nuna an kal rang zawa alang tak hi zoi in an kem ve ret ani an ma ni lama han in seng lu ang chi kha thil a thei to lem lo zo zel hi alo ni o me ti chuan kan han chua ka hei tuna hian ami sowina ya po kalvel na ta an man per transportation an nei per chu hengan sakor to lai lir ani hei sakor to lai lir in bagite ania kan hong hian hengan sakor to lai lir te hi an chuan ber ani kaya kal se henga hianin heng hi an mang vekani ti kha an ko sakdan phung ani an ko chung lui luang ral mei te chu anom mel he mei ta te hian varak emo te an cheng ve a tun tak hi chuan om lova alung den thak de uri mai so lama so varak then khat chu mani so USA อามิโซนะครั้งตะเตียงเฮียนชินเชียนะอันเสียมเล็บอันนี้ USA state สมทุมาอันออกมาที่จวนแปดสิบมันเนี่ยฮีอันตั้มเป็นนักมุนตัวนาริจวนอันนี้มีสิ่งกว่าทาเวลอันนี้ที่จวนอินเดียนาหรือไอวาอันตั้มเดินปกอันนั้นจูอันนี้มัวลงพันอันนี้ที่มีดังซิงที่ไม่แต่งอันมาที่เราซิงแต่พอภาษาอันนี้หันป้าอันมานี่ทิลเสียอันเลือกเป็นปกอันนี้อามิสควากันกะลาตัวนารอดส่วนกันหอดอนตัวอามิสควาอันยาโดซินเดโรเพนซิลเวเนียยังแค่สกอตที่อันนั้นชัวร์ครับมอเตอร์เตะอันนั้นแรงออกไปนั่นเองยังข้านั้นละกัลงัดไม่อันนี้โอ้ยตัวไหนเฮียนอามิสควากันสินะกันหอโดนะตัวนักหันขีดตักอามิสควาข้ากันขีรินอันควาข้าอาภัสังกามเวแต่ปกกันติไม่เทียเอาหนานตะกาจวนแห่งอามิโซฮิสอร์การินตัวเช่นเพียงอัลลาฮุนพลาคงจะวิสอนภาษาในยุโรปเรามาตั้งแต่จานเชียอเมริการามอันเช่นเพียงอามิโซฮิสอร์การินอันเป็นแบบก็ตะบางินอันโคกงติฮิทัดตะกินอาเซียนสักการอันเมตโรสักการที่จวนอินเตอร์โพฮิมันไล่อังอินปุยปุยในโลกาตุนไล่หิงเละมันรัวแต่อันมาช่วงที่มุ่งชันขตะกันหูอังมาเสอันดังลำก็ตักสูมาลายอันนู้นวันนี้เช่นเพียงอันละชมเรงพอเวลนู้นมาสอนนะฮิอันการสนะอันเอาสัมตะเทคโนโลยีเตมอเตอร์เตอินเทอร์เน็ตเตคอมพิวเตอร์เซลโฟนส่งเห็นบานสนะมาลายอันนู้นดานปังไงปีพูดนุนโหนะนุนขัดอินโทรมันนุนโหนุนขันและมองเรื่องอันข้อสักดานพออันเออินดานแต่อันนุบุยภาษาลินในดานเลสาเขาเบียกดานเลน้ำนุนส่งปอกขาวันนี้ตุนไล่เขาเป็นคนจังกาตะกาปอกขานอันมันไล่นุนังอันละอมกันนี่ในจนเขาเป็น